My name is Esa, welding technology student SMK 2 Banda Aceh. I will teach how to TIG welding machine or are operated. Please note. One, check the power cord to connection is here. Two, open the argon gas valve. Three, adjust working pressure of argon gas at 6 psi. Connect to negative cable to a TIG welding machine. Connect to positive cable, gas hose and sweat flow setting. Turn on TIG welding machine and let's set the current for welding. Piece negative flame to a welding table. Place the workpiece. Place the workpiece to a welding table. Welding torch direct to the working piece and press the button on the torch to the welding press. Let us try to do the welding.
Okay, this is TIG welding process by Esa Nur Iman, student welding technology SMK 2 Banda Aceh.